Good morning! Good morning, Daddy. May nag-comment, smile more naman daw. 2016 na. Morning, Raji. It's our birthday month. Yay, Daddy. Tatandaan na ulit kami in 2 weeks time. Anyway, it's 9:45 and we're gonna get breakfast. McDonald's. Say good morning, Zeb. Morning! Kita ba? Ayun. Smile na, Daddy.
Ano sabi?
Smile.
Sino sabi?
Si Laika. Say hi to Laika.
Hi, Laika.
Hey. Hi. We're here. Careful. Layo naman yan, Zeb. Run here, run around. Kita niya yung laruan.
Okay, now 5 minutes, okay? Stay there, dapat yung photo.
You want to slide? Go up, go up. Give me the key. Go up. You can do it. Give me the key first. I will give you later. Uh-oh. I'm gonna try the macaron from McDonald's. Hey guys, we're back home. Pero hindi ko pa pinapasok sa loob. Sarap kasi ng hangin. Sabi ko, papahanginan ko muna para mas masarap yung tulog. Mas iba kasi yung mapares kong hangin kaysa yung aircon, diba? So, yeah. Sila, baby. Love, love. Love, love. Turn na naman kayo dyan. Pamit green. Oh, careful, kuya. Hi, guys. Hi, Daddy. Smile, Daddy. We're just chilling. Nakabalik, ano oras ba? 11:20. And, yeah. Mamaya, ay, hindi ko pala sabi, later on, we have another, ano ulit. Basta every December 25 and January 1st, merong get-together dun sa side ng family nila, Vince. So, doon naman kami sa bahay ng isang tita niya. Tita niya. Hey! Pero ano pa, dinner pa yun eh, 5 o'clock daw. So, I'm assuming mga 8 o'clock kami makakarating. Always late. And depende kasi sa magiging nap nitong dalawa. And all, we'll see. Pero yun. See you later. Happy New Year! Daddy! Happy New Year again. January. I can't believe it. Tatanda na naman kami ni Daddy. Magkasunod kami ng birthday, by the way, sa mga bago dito sa channel. Magkasunod kami ng birthday, kaya parang isang celebration na lang lagi. Huh? Hi. Hi, is that you? Smile, give me a smile. It's just... Superman! Superman! Huh? Superman! Hey, we're out. Nandito kami sa Cotton On. Bibili ng sapatos si Zeb, tsaka ng t-shirt. Uh-oh! I want to color. Wow, nice! Nice. Typical daddy style. Tingin. Grabe, automatic talaga kay Zed. Pag papasok kami ng water care, hinahanap niya tong coaching to. Natatandaan niya pa din. Hey, tapos na kami sa Parkway. Nakabili na kami ng shoes and clothes for the kids. And then now, bibili lang kami ng whole chicken. Nagsaing ako sa bahay bago kami lumabas. And then, yun, bibili lang kami ng whole chicken kasi hindi man ako nag-cook. So yun, alas 2 na. Alas 5 yung call time. So we'll see kung on time kami today. Mukhang wala nang nap ang mga bata. Eto, kanina pa nagnanap. Si Zeb wala. So, we'll see. Wow, you like your new shoes, Zeb? Ha? You like it? Alas na kami. It's 5:30. Uy, oh, pogi ni Rochi, oh. Let's go. Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
It's 5:36 and as usual late. O'clock. 6:02.
Like,
kumakain na sila. Ito, di ba? Ano ba ito? Here! There's a view from the 20th floor. Oo, lakas ng hangin. We're eating this durian chips. Ang sarap, in fairness. Hindi ako makain ng durian, ha? But I love it. I think I can finish one whole bag. Hindi siya lasang durian. Pero ang sarap. This is from Thailand nga pala. Hey guys, it's 8 o'clock na and kakatapos ko lang. Paridayan si Zach dito sa room ni Tita Emily. So, yun. Nag-games yata sila sa labas. Nakatulog na kasi to. Kaso, hindi pa ako agad umalis kasi nga pinapakiramdaman ko kung ano na ba, fully tulog. Pero, hindi. Nagising siya ulit. So, labas na kami. Naglalaro sila dun ng Pictionary Man. And Zeb and Zach are here. Chilling. Uh-oh. Chill ka lang dyan. Ha? Chill ka lang dyan. Ha?
Family dinner, family snack time.
Ang lakas ng oo ah. Medyo naman, ang lakas naman ng oo. Pero, medyo ang lakas na.
Hi, we're still here. It's 9:30 now. Yeah, should be your bedtime. It should be your bedtime na. But, still playing.
All the villagers are very poor, so they just use their solar panels together, the electricity represent their laundry. They're probably this big, they can just bring it down.
Okay, picture, and then we're gonna go home. It's 10:40.
Okay, good.